What's up guys, this is Erod here and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to install some of the internal accessories that I've designed for the Vital Bracelet. Here we have a set of buttons, a USB port plug, and a DIM card slot plug. You can find these in the Vital Bracelet section of my Etsy shop, along with a bunch of other accessories that I make for the Vital Bracelet series. I will leave a link to that in the description. Dismantling the bracelet is pretty easy, but just pay close attention, follow all of the steps, be very careful, and you should be fine. Now without further delay, let's hop right in. As always, if you have any questions about the buttons or any of my Vital Bracelet accessories, you can leave a comment or you can message me directly at the shop. The link is in the description below. I will have some new designs coming out to accompany the release of the new Digivice V bracelet in the next couple of months, and some new DIM cases since Bandai keeps coming out with DIM cards, and the ones I make, well, mine's pretty full already, so please be sure to subscribe if you want to see more updates on some of the designs I'm working on for the Vital Bracelet series, and check out the shop if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.